G'day guys, today I want to quickly show you how you can use SiteGround to set up a new development site for a website project so that our website development team can build their new website on a live domain. First of all, you'll want to log into my.siteground.com, which you can find a link for underneath this video. And once you've logged in, you'll come across this dashboard and you then have to just navigate over to websites. Then there'll be a lot of different domain names here, but you want to look for whitepeak.digital, which is probably somewhere near the bottom because it's sorted alphabetically. And then you just want to click on Site Tools. Once the Site Tools is opened, it's a dashboard specifically for that domain, and that's when we'll want to create a new subdomain for this development site. So what we'll do is we'll navigate over to Domain, and then we'll click on Subdomains. Once we've done that, we'll make a new subdomain based off the business's current name. So for this project, I'm going to be making a domain for Meals on Wheels. So I'm just going to call it MOW because that's an acronym they often use for Meals on Wheels. And that will be familiar to them. So when we share this domain with them, it will be tied to them and they'll like that. I'll then click the Create button and it just takes a few moments to create that new domain name. Once that has been created, we've now got everything we need to migrate our starter site over onto that domain. So what we'll do is we'll click on WordPress and then we'll click on Migrator. We'll then click on the drop down arrow here and look for that new subdomain we just made. Here it is at the bottom, mow.whitepeak.digital. We'll click on that. Leave the path blank, well with the slash in there, but that's blank, and then click the generate button. While that's generating, we'll then go over to the development site and log in there. So the development URL is also underneath this video, but the login details will be in our password manager as well, which you can then use here to log in. Once you've logged in, we'll just have to navigate over to the SG Migrator plugin, which we'll then use by punching in this code here, which we can just hit the copy button for. So once we've logged in here, you'll see SG Migrator on the left-hand side. We just click on that one, and typically you'll see this transfer completed successfully page, and you don't have to worry about it. That's just because we transferred another website a while ago onto a new domain for another client. So this will pretty much always be here when we come back to do a new one. All you'll want to do is scroll down and click on this little label here that says Initiate New Transfer. Once we've clicked on that, we'll see where we can punch in or paste in the code that we got from the other page. And we also just want to untick this box because there's no need to notify an email, and we just click Initiate Transfer. We'll then wait a few moments and a confirmation screen will pop up asking us to confirm the domain, and that's when we can check it's going to the right place. And yes, it is. It's mow.whitepeak.digital, so we'll just click Continue. Once that's done, we've pretty much done everything we need. That website will now transfer. It will take a few minutes, so just leave this page open until it's done, and you'll see it, that success page we just saw before pop up again, and that's when you know everything's done, and you'll be able to visit mow.whitepeak.digital, for example, and log in using the same login details you used to log into this website. Then you can do what you need to do by notifying our development team, updating ClickUp, and all sorts to get all that set up and in place. But that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you need any help with anything else like this, please feel free to reach out. Otherwise, I wish you the best of luck. Thanks a lot.